Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie Muturi. If it's your first time here, and if it's not your first time here, karibu sana. So guys, today we'll be talking about how to make money with cryptocurrency in a bear market. Making money with crypto in a bull market is very easy, guys. In a bull market, this is where prices keep going up and up and up and up. So we usually say the market is making higher highs and higher lows in a bull market. So at this time, it's very easy to make money because if you invest like your 1000K, as time goes by, this money keeps increasing because the prices keep going up in this market. But in a bear market, prices keep going downwards. So this is where this is where the prices make lower lows and lower highs. We usually say the bear market prices zinaenda to chini. So imagine you bought this Bitcoin at around maybe let's say 48,000. So if you bought it at 48,000, prices keep going down and now prices are at 30,000. So you have lost approximately 18,000. Do you get me? But if it was in a bull market and you invest like your 40,000 and prices keep going up, you will expect the prices maybe in a few weeks to reach like 50,000 and you have your 10,000 investments. You have your 10,000 profit, sorry. So that's why I need us to focus on the bear market because it's not easy making money in the bear market, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. So let's get straight into it. And one thing I'm going to say is like, the first thing you need to do is like never sell, never panic sell. Most people panic sell when prices starts going down in the fear. I don't know why people, I don't know, maybe you fear that prices zitaenda chini mpaka zifike zero, but it doesn't go like that, guys. Okay, yes, it could go like that if you're dealing with like very small coins or coins with like a micro cap or shit coins or or if you're dealing with like Ponzi scheme like what we saw with Luna, guys, the other day. So that only happens, it rarely happens with stable coins like Bitcoin. So if you're dealing in Bitcoin, so what do? Never panic sell. For example, if you bought Bitcoin at 48,000 and now Bitcoin is at 30,000, if you sell right now, you are losing because you bought this coin at 48,000 and now it is at 30,000. Why would you sell at a loss? You just have to be very patient in this case and just wait until prices zirudi tena zipande from where you bought the coin. So never sell at the bottom, guys. Always sell when you can make some profit. Never ever sell, never sell. But the thing is, if you're dealing with stable coins, never sell at the bottom, guys. Never panic sell. So guys, if the bear market didn't catch you, what do? So you have some money, you want to invest and you want to make some money. So the first thing you got to do is buy the dip. So people who are advanced in cryptocurrency know that when we're in a bear market, that is when big institutions buy. You need to you need to just buy because once the bull market comes in, you're gonna be in huge profit, guys. So this is not the time to sell. Just because prices are going down doesn't mean you're supposed to sell. This is the time you're supposed to be buying because this is when prices ziko chini kabisa. Ni kama uende kwa market. Do you ever go to a market and then buy anything yenye unasikia ni prices ziko high? You always go to this market and you know na prices ziko chini. So one thing I will say is when prices go down, I usually see memes, people saying, oh, in the crypto space, watu wanapoteza pesa, people are crying. But nah, like that is not happening. That is only happening to someone who has no idea what they are getting themselves into. If you know what you are getting yourself into, you buy when prices are going down. So how do you buy when prices are going down? So my advice to guys is like, you should buy in bits. Like don't buy like in lump sum during the bear market because prices zinaenda zikienda chini and you don't know when the bull market will start. If you don't have that information, just buy in bits. Don't buy in lump sum. This is dollar cost averaging. And dollar cost averaging, this is where you spread your money. You invest in small bits in the market. So if you have like something like $1,000, you could invest like $200 the other week, $200 like the other week, because as we go down, the prices keep going down. So don't buy zote at once. You can just buy kidogo kidogo per week, and this is gonna help you so much when it comes to when the bull market comes, because you don't know like when the bear market is gonna end. So it's good like to minimize your risk by doing the dollar cost averaging, guys. So unless we're in the bull market, in the bull market I would advise you to buy in lump sum, man, because the prices keep going up. But in the bear market, prices keep going down. So if prices are keep going down, and you don't know like when this is gonna end, so just buy in bits. Like this week, the next week you might find you're buying at a lower price. The other week you might find you're buying at a lower price. So at least you're gonna maximize than just buying in lump sum and prices keep dipping on you, and you're gonna lose. Like, okay, you won't, it's not losing, but you will lose the chance of making more profit. My advice is, when doing this dollar cost averaging, just do this. Just look at stable coins you want to invest in. In the bear market, avoid investing in low cap coins, guys. Low cap coins might go crashing on you. Coins, or like a top exchange tokens, for example, you can invest in BNB or maybe FTX, because these are coins that are stable. These are coins, the easy exchanges keep making money every day. There's no way they will crash on you. Like BNB is like the Binance token. So there's no way you're expecting BNB like to come crashing on you, guys. Prices might go down, but it will never go to zero. Okay. So during the bear market, I would really advise you to either invest in stable coins or invest in top exchange tokens. So to avoid losses, avoid meme coins, avoid meme coins, and also avoid low cap coins, because these things might come crashing on you, and it won't be a good story. Okay, guys, so another way of making money in the bear market is shorting the market. So when you short the market, is like you are speculating that prices are going down. And if prices go down, then you're going to be in profit. If prices go up, you're going to be in loss. So I wouldn't advise anyone who's not experienced or who has not received some good training to do this, because futures trading is so risky, guys, for anyone that has not done it before. So I would literally advise, unless you have some training, don't do this, guys. Don't do this. But if you have some experience trading, I think this is a good opportunity for you to short the market. You can look at coins which you want to short, and coins, after doing like your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis, and all that analysis, you can now decide on coins that you're going to trade. So if you do your technical analysis and it clearly shows you that prices are going down, then it's okay to short the market, and you will get some good money. But if you're not experienced, I repeat, futures trading is very risky, and you risk getting liquidated. This is not like spot trading, guys. In spot trading, you will never get liquidated. If you buy and the prices dips on you, like there's nothing you can do. You'll just wait for the prices to come up. But if you're doing futures trading and the prices go down, or go up, and you had predicted that the prices are going down, you might end up losing all your investment, and you might end up getting liquidated, and this is not what we want. Okay, so I hope you're getting me. I hope you're flowing with me. So the next thing I'm gonna say, you can make money during this bear market, is arbitrage. And arbitrage is where you buy coins or tokens from one exchange and sell them in another. For example, if Bitcoin prices are at 30,000 in Binance, you might go to another exchange like FTX and find that Bitcoin, or Bittrex, you find that Bitcoin prices are higher. So you just buy on Binance and go and sell on Bittrex. This is what most people did during the Luna crash. And Luna was going at very low prices on FTX. Like you would literally get like millions of Luna and go and sell them on Bittrex. And on Bittrex, prices were a bit high, so people were making some good profits. So as some people were crying of losing millions to Luna, some people made millions using Luna through arbitrage. I hope you understand me. So it is like when I buy one market, for example, usikie City Market, these prices za waru ziko at 1,000 bob. And then usikie na huko Nyahururu, prices za waru ziko at 10,000. So unakimbia City Market unanunua 1,000 and then unaenda Nyahururu unauza at 10,000. So you make 9,000 profit. I hope you understand me. So that is arbitrage for you guys. So the next thing you can make money is through pre-sales, guys. And pre-sales are buying at the lowest price, guys. So people who engage in pre-sale make the most money, guys, are the early investors of this coin. So when you engage on a pre-sale, you are an early investor of a coin, and by that time, like, they allocate a lot of coins to the investors with this coin. So expect that since you got in very early and you got in as an early investor, you're gonna make a lot of coins from very little money. So with just the other day, I sent a pre-sale to my group, and this pre-sale was going like for 5,000, only 5,000, guys. And from this 5,000, you are given 400,000 coins. Just imagine if by any chance this coin gets to $1. Just imagine you invested $50 and this coin comes out and it's going for like $1, and they have allocated you 400,000 coins. Imagine $400,000 from $50. Just imagine. So one thing I will say is, like, this is the time to invest. This is the time to invest, guys. So engage on pre-sales, and at least make sure before you invest in any pre-sale or in any coin or in any project, learn more about the project and make sure you get the information from a credible person, okay? Because there are so many scams out here, guys, and you don't want to end up losing your money. So the next way you can make money in cryptocurrency during the bear market is through airdrops, guys. Airdrops, like airdrops. I usually say airdrops are free money, and this is a good opportunity for anyone who doesn't have like money to trade. And for airdrops, what they do is, like, they allocate a certain amount of tokens to people to market the projects. So what they do is, like, you're required to like engage in little activities such as following the Twitter accounts, following the project's Twitter account, Telegram, or retweeting a tweet, and you qualify for an airdrop. So guys, there are also other ways of like making money, okay? So recently I also sent like this airdrop to my group, and I'm gonna share it with you today, guys. So it's a new exchange by the name of SuperX. And what these guys are doing is, like, if you register an account, they give you their token, which is called ET, worth $10. So if you register an account, they give you like tokens worth $10, and if you refer anyone, they give you $10 more. Okay, guys, so I think this is a very good platform. So just registering and referring a person, you have $20 worth ET, which is like the token for that exchange. So I think that's a good thing, guys, because look at it this way: you register and they give you tokens worth $10, and then you refer like 10 people. If you refer like 10 people, that is 100 ET, which is more like $100. Imagine if these coins value go up and up and up, and it reaches like $100 for one coin, and you have 100 ETs. Just look at the money, guys. But one thing I realized is, like, the token they're giving you is locked. So you can't just withdraw the money immediately once it reflects in your account. You have to unlock it by either engaging on spot trading or futures trading, guys. So I think it's a good platform, and I think this is like a very good opportunity for you guys. So if you have a chance to trade on their site, you can keep trading, and the ET that you have earned keeps unlocking. So I hope you're gonna try it out. I'm gonna put the link on the description, so you can go and try this airdrop, and you're gonna tell me how it works out for you guys. All exchange tokens always do well. Look at BNB, guys. When it was launched by Binance, it did so well. So there are also other airdrops. There's a MetaMask airdrop. So what MetaMask is doing, MetaMask is planning on releasing their own token, And once you get on the site and you swap coins, you qualify. I think you'll be qualifying for, you'll get some free tokens, free MetaMask tokens once they release. So guys, just go on the site, just open a MetaMask account and engage on the swap button. Okay, swap those coins on MetaMask so as we wait for that airdrop, guys. So I hope you've all understood, and I hope like we'll be making money during these times. If you want to engage on the airdrop, click on the link below. You're gonna see the link to SuperX exchange. If any one of you is new into crypto, I have a course where I train people on how to start trading. I teach you basics, I teach you technical analysis and all those things, guys. So if you're interested, you can get to my email and email me. I'm gonna respond within 24 hours. And don't invest money if you really don't know what you're doing, guys. Please, if you don't want to lose money, please don't. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. I love you.